Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing, I guess unboxing or unpackaging here. This is from Houston, Texas. It's a P.O. Box number. Red Sand Project? That doesn't sound good, guys. Red Sand Project. Hey, that doesn't sound good, guys. Red Sand Project. It does feel kind of weird in here, guys. Let's take a look. Got my pen here. Open it up. This one's going to be a quick unboxing. I got a bad feeling on this, guys. Alright. Okay. I guess this is red sand. I guess. Let's see what it says here. Today, 4.5, okay. Here's what it says. You guys can pause the video. You guys can pause the video and read it if you want. Okay. Alright, I guess they want some promotion, I guess. Red Sand Project, okay. I guess this company wants some kind of promotion. I haven't read all of it. Like I said, I gotta do a quick unboxing before I go to work here, but... like I said, you guys can, pause the video here and read it, you know, if you want. What? Alright. That's what we got, guys. It's like there's the address right there, Red Sand Project, P.O. Box 540205, Houston, Texas. If you guys want any more information about it, like I said, you can pause and read it. Obviously, I'm not going to open that up. I know what's in there is sand, red sand, I guess. Alright, man, I guess everybody said send me anything. I guess that's what everybody's doing. I'm getting some interesting things. Alright, guys, you want to send me whatever you want to send me, right there. There's my address there. Just go ahead and, send it there. And then, we can, see what we get. Yeah, I love doing unboxings, so I can do some more unboxings, you know, so it'll be good. Oh yeah, make sure you, I keep forgetting about this, make sure you like and, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. This is a quick unboxing, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.